Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So today I tell you about each and everything tax information on YouTube. Submitting tax info to Google. All monetizing creators on YouTube, regardless of their location in the world, are required provide tax info. Please submit your tax info as soon as possible. If your tax info is not provided by May 31, 2021, Google may be required to deduct up to 24% of your total earning worldwide. Do you have to pay taxes on YouTube? Under US tax law, Google is required to deduct taxes from your YouTube earning from US viewers if applicable. The tax withholding requirements can differ depending on your country of residence, whether you are eligible to claim tax treaty benefits, and whether your identity as an individual or a business. Will I get at 1099 from YouTube? The bottom line is if you earn more than $400 from YouTube in 2018, you need to declare that to the IRS. If your income from YouTube was more than $600 in 2018, Google is legally required to provide you with a 1099 form. You can request one here. Do YouTubers pay state taxes? The short answer is yes. You do need to pay YouTube taxes, and you have to pay taxes on YouTube income from brand deals and an affiliate marketing income. YouTube income taxes represent self-employed income. Your YouTube taxes are not taken out for you by YouTube since you are not a YouTube employee. What tax form do I need for YouTube? Generally, a Form W8 ban or Form W8 ban E is required from individual and entities respectively outside of the US who are the beneficial owner of the income received. It may be used to claim a treaty benefit, in other words, a reduced rate of withholding. How much do YouTubers pay in taxes? If creators don't send in their tax information by that date, YouTube will deduct 24% of worldwide, not just US based earning. This is for two reasons. First, 24% tax of income is a standard amount of federal tax that self-employed people, which YouTubers are according to the IRS must pay. All YouTuber partners must submit US tax information. Is YouTube income, royalty, or business income? Beginning on June 1, 2021, YouTube decharacterized AdSense payout as royalty income rather than compensation for personal service because the AdSense payout are now royalty income. The earning may be subject to US withholding taxes to the extent the creator is earning royalty income from US sources. How much money can I make without paying taxes? In 2022, for example, the minimum for single filing status if under age 65 is $12,000. If your income is below that threshold, you generally do not need to file a federal tax return. How much money does 1 million YouTube views make? YouTubers charge brands anywhere from $10 to $15 per thousand views, depending on the estimated amount of total views for the pending video. If the video hits 1 million views, then the YouTuber makes anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000. Hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel.